My name is Miss Alyssa, and I would like to welcome you all to this month's virtual Little Wonders and Nature Detectives craft demonstration video. Now, the theme for the month of January is Shark and Ray Science, and the craft that we are going to be making in today's video is going to be this shark sun catcher. Before we get started, let's go ahead and do a quick material check from your craft kit. The materials that you are going to need to assemble this craft are a great white shark silhouette cutout, a circular cutout piece of contact paper. This is the one that has the white back, and a circular frame cutout from black construction paper. Last but not least, you are going to need some cutouts of tissue paper in all different colors. If you have all those materials, let's go ahead and get started. And if at any point during this video you need to pause and catch up, you are more than welcome to do that. Step one of assembling our shark sun catcher is we are going to take our contact paper and peel off the white back, just like a sticker. Now this can be pretty tricky, so if you need to ask a parent or guardian for help, go ahead and do that. The contact paper is very, very sticky, and once you peel it, you're going to want to put the not sticky side on the table, just like that, so the sticky side will be facing you. And like I said, as you can see, it is very, very sticky, so try not to touch it too much with your fingers once it is lying flat on the table. Next, we are going to take our circular frame cutout and align it with the contact paper so it's going all along the edges. And once you are able to do that, I'm just going to press it down so that it is touching and sticking. Now we have the frame of our shark sun catcher. Next step is we are going to take our great white shark silhouette and place it down so that the black side is touching the sticky side and the white side will be facing us. Now for my favorite part, which is going to be taking all of the tissue paper and pressing it all around the sticky back of our shark sun catcher, creating a really pretty background for the sun to shine through. If you have scissors and you'd like to, you are more than welcome to trim some of the tissue paper that might be hanging off of the sides. And as always, if you need help with scissors, make sure to ask an adult. Now for my next favorite part, we are going to go ahead and turn it over and see the final look. And it should look something like that. Alrighty everyone, when you're done, you can go ahead and attach a piece of tape to your beautiful sun catcher, just like I did, and put it on a window that gets a lot of bright sunlight. That's gonna wrap it up for this month's craft demonstration. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you with next month's video. Bye!